ready for services law reporter. 5 seconds. Start. The constitutional protection of equality before the law under Article 14 of the Constitution is one of the basic tenets of the Constitution. Stop. It is a cardinal value which will govern our policies and actions, particularly policies for employment and education. Stop. Article 15 bracket 1 prohibits state discrimination on the ground bracket among others bracket of religion, race or caste. Stop. Article 16 bracket 1 prescribes equality of opportunity for all in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. Stop. Article 16 bracket 2 prohibits discrimination on the ground bracket among others bracket of religion, race, caste or descent. Stop. At the same time, the Constitution permits preference treatment for historically disadvantaged groups in the context of entrenched and clearly perceived social inequalities. Stop. That is why Article 16 bracket 4 permits reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class which is not adequately represented in the services under the state. Stop. Reservation is linked with adequate representation in the services. Top. Reservation is thus a dynamic and flexible concept. Top. The departure from the principle of equality of opportunity has to be constantly watched. Stop. So long as the backward group is not adequately represented in the service under the state, reservation should not be made. Stop. Clearly, reservations have been considered as a transitory measure that will enable the backward to enter and be adequately represented in the state services against the backdrop of prejudice and social discrimination. Stop. But finally, as the social backdrop changes and a change in the social backdrop is one of the constitutional imperatives, as the backward are able to secure adequate representation in the services, the reservations will not be required. Article 335 enters a further caveat. Stop. While considering the claims of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes for appointments, the maintenance of efficiency of administration shall be kept in sight. Stop. Para. Article 15 bracket 4, which was added by the Constitution First Amendment of 1951, enables the state to make special provisions for the advancement inter alia of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, notwithstanding Articles 15 bracket 1 and 29 bracket 2. Stop. The wording of Article 15 bracket 4 is similar to that of Article 15 bracket 3. Stop. Article 15 bracket 3 was there from inception. Stop. It enables special provisions being made for women and children, notwithstanding Article 15 bracket 1, which imposes the mandate of non discrimination on the ground bracket among others bracket of sex. Stop. This was envisaged as a method of protective discrimination stop. This same protective discrimination was extended by Article 15 bracket 4 to bracket among others bracket scheduled caste and scheduled tribes stop. As a result of the combined operation of these articles, an array of programs of compensatory or protective discrimination have been pursued by the various states and the union government. Stop. Mark Galanter, in his book Combating Inequalities, has described the constitutional scheme of compensatory discrimination. Thus, these compensatory discrimination policies entail systematic departures from norms of equality bracket such as merit, even-handedness, and indifferences of ascriptive characteristics. Stop. These departures are justified in several ways. First, preferential treatment may be viewed as needed assurance of personal fairness, a guarantee against the persistence of discrimination in subtle and indirect forms. Stop. Second, such policies are justified in terms of beneficial results that they will presumably promote integration, use of neglected talent, more equitable distribution, etc. Stop. With these two, the anti discrimination theme and the general welfare theme is entwined, a notion of historical restitution or reparation to offset the systematic and cumulative deprivations suffered by lower castes in the past. Stop. These multiple jurisdictions point to the complexities of pursuing such a policy and of assessing its performance. Stop. Thank you.